Ntatwala kwalano nje. So I remember loko ha ri kuleni so a va ta ku byela ku i nga teki munhu wa ka mani o kahlehlela sweswiwa swa ha ri koho direct swa ku vanhu va ka Ngoveni vavasati va ka Ngoveni va penga and it's true ku na xisa xin'wanyani a ni swi tivi ku xi vadima xin'wana xi nga teka it's not my cousin xi teke sesi wa mina munhu loyi wa ka Ngoveni but a hi Ngoveni lowa ka hina wa ka Gawula wa le vuhosini ku va Ngoveni wa twisisa siku rin'wana siku a ku humeleni va ri ku holoveni ivi xi ya xi ku hayi maraji a hi fambi ya ni lamulela aka sesi wa wena because mani leyiwa a yi kahle ngopfu ti pfa ti tiringa la loko mina ni fika laha ni ri ni la ku khalima situation yo sungula ya sister bodo yima ni mi byela maswitshwani mi le ku se ni kwate ngopfu se swi ri la na swi vula ni nga swi vula na sweswiwa ni ngo swi vula ni sala ni yo dlu a ni la ku nyangatsiwa xi vula le marito a ni la ku nyangatsiwa a ni la ku baberiwa a ni la ku huderiwa a ni la ku nyeriwa a ni la ku tsakamiseriwa hemfo in a space of 5 seconds swi laha hemfo a xi be nhlamba yin'wanyana he bodo ne wa ta xi tla xi admita ku xo xa penga and xa Ngoveni and di ringi leyiwa hi fanele hi languta kahle during this whole pandemic where people are losing everything, they're losing their jobs, they're losing their families, they're losing their money, people have gone nar and i xi lexi hi fanele hi xi ignoraku tanihi society i xi lexi na kereke yi nga dileku hi xona kereke yi busy hi ku lwela switulu no loyana kwala ndzeni ka kereke no na mfundhisi busy hi swa yona a yi busy hi mentality ya vanhu vo tala se hi le ku pengeni and i swilo leswi na wena i swi tivaku and a wu la ku swi amukela therefore mental illness it's a very serious thing a ni vulavuli depression mean no depression i mbitsi hi xichangana. I'm not talking about that is another topic for another day. I'm talking about very in this thing borderline personality, borderline disorder, PDD or BDP, it happens to everyone and it's something that society has to teach us. I mean, there's sometimes when I go now and I know bipolar. It's not bipolar. Hinkwenu le ku pengeni la a ku na munhu wa normali swilo leswi mi swi tsalaka to show kuri we live in the very very sensitive world. It's even hard to be a comedian. I tsala swilo ka Facebook eku ho tlanga a na ha tsundzuki ni tshama ni tsala yini siku rin'wanyani xin'wana xi nghena xi ku macemba ya nyina timaraji i vulavula mababana ndwe xin'wana xi nghena tinhlaya ta nyini i swi leswaku people I got to understand we live in different corners. I can be sitting in my corner and dealing with a lot, and a person will be in their very own corner and they'll be dealing with a lot. Or wa tsikiwa or wa find out ku chere va ikundini e mini fika ntsala la no chere ya wena ya dyiwa loko ku a wu swi tivi namuntlha or just because you don't know it doesn't mean ku a nga dyiwi because yena a nga swi tivi ku wa jola kumbe njhani wa swi tiva na no yi baxisa post a khoneni. You're telling yourself you're just having fun, you're just joking, because comedy in its own as it's a very acquired taste. But comedy is acquired, it's an acquired taste. Acquired is what is something that has been acquired? It's an acquired taste. Meaning we are dealing, a comedian is somebody who deals with the current affairs. Just because I say something, it doesn't mean nuvula wena. Un'wana swi tlha swi koneketiwe info. Wona mara xikuze a vule ku man ka phaphazela valoya. Damani itivana man and man xitivana man wa ka phaphazela i twe maraji. Mara xi twe ye damani. E kuma ku ezonda vana. Hafo back to the real topic. we need to seek counseling. Kuna vanhu vo tala va nga busy a nga karhi leswiwa during the whole pandemic. Offering counseling ka timhaka ta mihleketo. You need to reboot your mind sometimes. Sometimes loko swi byela ku tshama ndlwini hlekete boy and reboot your own life, your cause se hi le ku pengeni. Especially majita hi sensitive blind. A wona ximbilambilwani wa penga. Wa swi a wu na mbilu yintsongo or a wu hlweli ku hela ku lan'wa wa hlanya. And it is happening aka majita because the nature of a man is to provide. And if you are a man and you are failing to do that, ekumaku vavasati nature ya vona, they cannot deal with a man that cannot provide. It's their nature. God made them like that. She made a woman as a receiver. It doesn't matter what she receives, and whatever she receives, she incubates and give it back. So if you are a man, you cannot incubate anything. What is I was called no child, and still could the gate in this because incubation come on.
The main point is not to
you manya. Well, one listen to Sulak Sakuna sensitive. Mula come camera no a gay. No, the gay, some is overlapping. Yeah, but we need the help. Yellow one come camera. He needs help. Na menga kula masinga camera. I need help. Everyone needs help. I'm saying, the nature of a man is to provide. And if he cannot be able to do that, what's this what I mean? If your man cannot be able to provide, the fact that he cannot be able already is hurting him. Look, normal. Vako no fukela PlayStation, not cartoon and everything. I'm talking about a real man. If a real man wakes up in the morning and he cannot be able to provide, you need to understand because that thing already that thing already fine. The moment you outside, you are just so selected or rikinyel. It dilana one way in a loma jalen man. Futa Ramaposin like Asanga Fala did. Eguma looks again, Muna Buluga and Kosi. And then what is happening? He's dealing with a lot. Jala differently assassin quasi so my nom. Eguma Misa Wamana Bokolok. Oh, Monaka and I'm thought. Is dealing with a lot. Let's seek help of it. This whole men's conference has to be a real thing. So we have to stop living in the imagination world. Even a men conference where we deal with our own issues. Kungarana the phone because I'm record me akomba cherita me akomba wasatwa wo maraja jirukurule. And gengele oteka lewa. Mitsanza the pilot talk le tangwina mi vula le problem tahi. Ejala utia wele ngateka problem eku yava safe. Loko se va ri tsona maraku ri anghena hi maraji. Follow maraji baby, mfollow maraji ngwa ungra wer fambeni gone. Ai sayisanini. And I saying kusayiseka ka munhu kusukela mbilwini, kusayiseka ka munhu kusukela la. If you are not free here, you cannot be free here. And if you are not free here, you cannot be free here. And a man langa confused. It means you need to understand a man is the pillar of society. If a man gets confused from an early age, or if a man gets confused, doesn't matter whatever age, then society will be confused. Vana mutla rangele van wansha. Van vulavla lesh na mutla mduga vulavla lesh. Because they are living in confusion. Avalagu tama hansa stulin. Val chika the young and the restless and the reckless. Va maseno nanatik. I ne maseno wana mani. Agu jana nika hina. I jana nika kutazana. Agu jana nika hina. I jana nika hi kombana tindlela. Loko ila ku humela sometimes swa kahle ku zila and you refrain from any form of sex. It doesn't matter if I kha ingena hikwini or if I kha inana hikwini. Kwala ku nga na mbovo kona wo fane refrain na from swona. Ni vulavula na tixaka hinkwato leti ndlaku timhaka ta masangu. Because sometimes we just have to take a break from such things. Because la mkateko ya kona sometimes. Menkarela, I don't even know. But the fact and of the matter eku I'm zanti say le pengeni. You lose the girl and go. van'wanyana le ku luzekeriweni maxaka na namuntlha. This thing affects here, and loko la ku ri affected swi vula ku you cannot be able to craft anything, whether you are a creative or whatever. What this is hi le ku luzekeriweni every day. Keep the fire burning mafethu, keep hoping one day is gonna be fine. What is this? I xibhamu xa moya xi kha xi twala moyeni hi ndlela yaleyo. A na ha ri na matimba because ni ta yimbelela un'wana ku ni vula yena. Endla leswiwa un'wana ku hi vula yena. We are crazy, we are a crazy nation, we are very sensitive. Ni twela ti-comedian ka swilo hinkwaswo ni twela ti-comedian na ti-artist and everyone we take everything seriously. Un'wana na un'wanyani like i tlanga na yena a ya ku ba nghoma, i tlanga na yena a ku ba hi ti-status, i tlanga na yena a byela nsati wa yena ene ka nsati wa hi va lawyer i swi tiva kahle. Fuck.